John Belfield, a former Army recovery expert, has amassed a large collection of military vehicles, including 20 or so Blitzers at the Melbourne Tank Museum. Now in his 70s, John reflects on a lifetime of collecting.
I'm always fascinated with things with tracks and big wheels and grippy tyres and things, and it was a fascination that I've always had, and I started collecting this stuff without any plan other than I just liked collecting tanks and armoured cars and old Blitzers, and so I just kept at it. And then in 1972 I decided that I'd better try and do something formal with this, or alternatively work up some good excuse for collecting all this junk, because all my friends and neighbours reckon it was all junk. They couldn't see the potential. I've always been fascinated with the Blitzers because they did such a fantastic job, and some are still doing a great job. And I just gradually collected them one at a time. I don't want the younger generation to be crooked on me. I'll leave a few for them to do. I don't want them to say, oh, the old bugger, he restored everything, there's nothing left. So, yeah, we'll let the younger generation have a go. And it's great to see young blokes in the club coming along and getting the same enjoyment and the same enthusiasm as what I've had over the years. It's just great. I like to encourage young guys to get that enjoyment and enthusiasm.